College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Magandang araw, Bicolandia. It's Sunday afternoon and we are still live now. Still here on the NCF covered court for the Bucal Season 6 Men's and Women's Volleyball. At makakasama niyo po kami ulit. Ako po si Keller Francis. Joining here with me today is of course Christine Alcanza-Reyes. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
And of course, this is the quarterfinals of our men's volleyball. It is a matchup against UNC Greyhounds versus the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Isang magandang bakbakan po para sa ating quarterfinals. Kaya para sa ating mga Bucal fans, talagang aabangan ang laro ngayong hapon. Manalo ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, talagang inaabangan din ng mga fans, of course, dahil nga after a very long time para dito sa ating Bucal Volleyball, ngayon papanood na nila ng live sa kanilang mga bahay yung mga laro ng kanilang paboritong teams dito sa Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. And in just a few minutes, we're going to start the much-heated matchup of these two teams. Dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, walang talo during that elimination round. Kaya naman, handang-handa sila ditong magpakitang kilas. But at the same time, yung kanilang winning streak ay magtutuloy-tuloy hanggang ngayong quarterfinals. And to hear an update, we have our courtside reporter. Nagbabalik, it is Chen Shaira Nicolas.
Hello, Teen and Kelly. Long time no see, pero it's so great to be back here sa loob ng hard court at sa bakbakan between the UNC Greyhounds and the Pasacao Academy. Dito lang yan sa Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Men's Division. Ako po si Chen Shaira Nicolas at ako po ang makakasama nyo ngayon dito sa side ng Greyhounds. We are now on the quarterfinals at para nga sa kanilang preparation, walang iba kundi ang goal na makuha ang ticket patungo sa semifinals. Kaya naman, let's see kung ano ba ang ipapakita ng Greyhounds na bago para dito sa quarterfinals. Kaya sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Bucal Season 6 and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much on that update, Chen. And of course, such much-awaited game for the UNC since it's their last game, I guess, if they will win this. Pasok na sila sa semifinals. But on the other hand, on the side of Pasacao Academy, they only had one win on the preliminary. However, they still managed to enter the quarterfinals, and it's their chance now. These youngsters are now playing inside the court for the second year. Last season, they were playing, and new faces on this side. And there's so much. There's so much more na ipapakita dito ang Pasacao Academy.
Side the Pasacao White Tigers. And of course, talagang gagawa ng paraan dito ng Pasacao para bigyan tayo ng isang magandang laban against UNC Greyhounds. And in just a few minutes, we're going to start this matchup. Pero bago ang lahat, magpahinga muna tayo. Sit back and relax as we enjoy this matchup only here on Oragon Sports Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
A reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds.
Between the UNC Greyhounds versus the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. And as we
Nakakailang puntos na dan because of the error of Pasacao White Tigers.
Antonio deflected, but a violation will be called for the Pasacao Academy. I guess it's a net touch violation, team. After that block, it's just the start of the first set, but the unforced error of Pasacao Academy are there. Natas Valles setting up to Paa, but no touch.
Now that's a 6 straight points coming from UNC Greyhounds. And Pasacao White Tigers still struggling here with their attacks. And also, the UNC Greyhounds making sure na lahat ng bolang ia-atake nila sa side of Pasacao White Tigers ay papasok. Now, still on that service deck, Rivero. And another ace coming from UNC Greyhounds. We're seeing now talagang pinaghandaan ng Greyhounds yung kanilang quarterfinal matchup against Pasacao White Tigers. But let's see, we're just starting this first set. Ano pa bang ibubuga o ipapakita ng Pasacao White Tigers right now? Again, it is Rivero serving. Pero agad na puto yan with that error. So I think Pasacao White Tigers, it is an opportunity for them to step up right now.
It's their chance, Tian, to step up, considering that they are down with 6 points. However, again, unforced error on the start of Pasacao Academy won't help them, to at least get point and to tighten the score. However, let's see, di pa naman tapos ng laro. That's Value setting up to the opposite. Doon ang paraan. Good cover there. Now, Nagot. Chance for the UNC Antonio. Tresvalles to Nagot again, but another long shot for them. No check ball. They are down to 8 points. It's 10-2 for the UNC Greyhounds. Almost a service ace. Now Chance Setting up in the middle, and that hits the ball point for the UNC Greyhound.
Now, we're seeing variety of plays here from the side of UNC Greyhounds and a good communication inside the court here for them. But on the other side, it is Pasakal White Tigers struggling. And after that one, it is a service ace coming from UNC Greyhounds at napatawag na nga ng timeout dito si Coach Chero ng Pasakal White Tigers because as we can see right now, that's a double-digit lead of UNC Greyhounds. And at the same time, sa pagsisimula ng ating first set, talagang nahihirapan dito yung Pasakal White Tigers on their floor defense na tinitake advantage ng UNC Greyhounds at naging sunod-sunod na nga yung naging puntos dito. And most especially, lahat ng players dito ng UNC Greyhounds merong magandang communication. So yun yung kailangang baguhin dito sa side ng Pasakal White Tigers. But let's see, as we're just only 12-2, marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa ating dalawang kupunan.
Yes, Tin, the problem right now on the side of the academy, you know, lack of communication on their part, no good first ball. That is why it's hard for the setter to set up a good set and attack for the open. But on that sequence, a point coming from Paa. This small but the elevation of this player, converting that into a point as we look on that replay. And now he will be serving. Paa. Serve. Pro with the receive. Hulog. Chance. Now setting up to Antonio. Good block there. A chance for Pasakao Academy. Tres Valles. But a point for Pasakao Academy with that check ball.
And now, Pasakal White Tigers, this is the performance we're waiting on their side. Kung kaya naman talagang ngayon titignan natin kung magpapatuloy yung magandang momentum dito ng Pasakal White Tigers as the UNC Greyhounds will attack.
Good recovery there, but no one get that ball. Another miscue for Pasakao Academy. And I think they need to minimize this thing in order for them to at least have good scores to tie the score against their opponent.
Yes.
However, on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, they are using this advantage to, of course, para makapuntos against these players. But another net defense there for the UNC Greyhounds. 14-4 on the scoreboard. 10 puntos na kalamangan against the Pasakao Academy White Tigers.
Now, one thing that Pasakal White Tigers needs to improve is their floor defense now. Kailangan merong mga bantay and coverage doon sa kanilang pwesto. But now, naging puntos dito sa side ng Pasakal White Tigers is the error of UNC Greyhounds. So they need to step up right now dahil malalakas yung atakang ibinibigay dito ng UNC Greyhounds. So kailangan nilang pag-aralan, pag-igihan yung depensa nila sa kanilang side. Because as we can see right now, back to 9-point lead yung hawak ng UNC Greyhounds.
That's true, Tin. And also, on the side of Pasakao Academy, they need to have a good communication, good connection inside the court since these players of UNC, you know, are veterans and they have the experience, they have this height. That is why they need to use smart plays will do actually. However, on that sequence, jersey number 11 smarted out the players of Pasakao Academy with that 1-2 play.
And now, yung last time na nakita natin yung UNC Greyhounds was semi-final round of our Bucal Season 5. Kaya uhaw na uhaw ngayon yung UNC Greyhounds for a final appearance. So let's see if they will build this momentum up until the end of their journey here for Bucal Season 6. Now, that's 17-5. They're just 8 points away on getting the first set here. But let's see. As 1-2 play, the effective one for Pasakal White Tigers.
Floor touch on the side of the UNC Tigers. 17-6 on the scoreboard. Now serving. Setting up in the middle. Regalo. Good pick up there. Tres Valles with the set. Now to Proa. Hulog. Good save by Naga. Now to the opposite. And it's a good point. Puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
As we are fast approaching the end of our set number 1, umi-improve na o nag-i-improve na yung laro dito ng Pasakal White Tigers. So they just need to maintain this and then step up once in a while. And now, another opportunity for White Tigers here. With coverage from the side of the Greyhounds. And that's a point coming from the Pasakal White Tigers here. As you can see our replay here.
Good block there by Hinto and Paa. And I think they need to be consistent on that, especially on their attacks and their floor defense. Kasi dito lang nila babawiin in order for them to convert a point after a strong hit coming from UNC Greyhound. Kapag may naitaas mo yung bola, it's not impossible to convert a point for them.
And also nakita mo yun after a point conversion on the side of Pasakal White Tigers. Error na naman yung nagawa nila
Another
dito.
unforced.
So there's no consistency on the side of Pasakal White Tigers. They need that pagpasok ng ating second set because UNC Greyhounds is 5 points away. Napakabilis lang para sa kanilang kupunan. So Pasakal White Tigers needs to learn dito sa set number 1 na ito that dadalhin nila sa pagpasok ng ating second set. Now, Proa to serve.
So Antonio getting inside again. Could receive. Oh! But a double contact. Dumulas yung bola and Coach Prime will call a timeout on the side of the Pasakal Academy White Tigers. And you know, the veterans are now using this advantage to end the set with 4 points away. It's 21-7 on the scoreboard, while Pasakal Academy, you know, they need to be consistent in terms of their attacks and as well as their defense. In all of the aspects inside the court, they need to go through a lot this time dahil malayo ang hahabulin nila. But still, hindi pa tapos ang laban. It's 4 point away.
Now,
Let's see if tatapusin dito ng UNC Greyhound consistently or the Pasakal Academy will make a way to have a chance this set.
yes, yun yung kailangan ngayon ng Pasakal White Tigers, consistency. Kasi once nagpakita sila ng magandang play dito, pagkatapos nun, ayun na naman, sunod-sunod errors na naman yung gagawin ng Pasakal White Tigers. And at that moment, it is really
That decoy nadala dito sa Hinto on that play, combination play coming from UNC. Now, in the middle, good one-hand save. Chance. Tres Valles with the receive. Alayan, Hinto. Ihulog. Chance. Tres Valles to the open. Paa. Now Chance. The middle. And no one is on that position. An easy point for the UNC Greyhounds. It's 23-7.
as we can see, kayang-kaya naman talaga ng Pasakal White Tigers na makipagtabaya dito sa UNC. Nauunahan lang mga errors dito. And speaking of error, that's another error sa kanilang side. And an ace from the side of UNC Greyhounds. And with that, set point na yung UNC Greyhounds 1 point away on getting that first set.
And I think they're just overwhelmed right now playing against their kuyas, you know. But still, here on this game, there's no walang kuya-kuya dito. Talagang lalaban at lalaban. That's why they need to be on their best. But right now, Antonio, but no one, he did not end this set with that 4 touches. That's why still a set point. And with that error, that ends the first set with 25-8. And we'll go on to the second set only here on Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament sa pagbabalik ng Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education,
We are now back on the hard court for the second set for this game. It's a battle between the UNC Greyhounds versus Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And as you can see right now, Tin on the side of UNC, they have their second stringers. Most of them are second stringers, and let's see and how they will perform. But on that first and forced error on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, and the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers need to need to learn from last set, need to adjust from that. Right now, another unforced error for the UNC Greyhound with 2-0.
Now we're seeing Kelly on the side of UNC Greyhounds. A lot of miscommunication. Nagsimula pa lamang yung ating second set pero parang hindi pa build up yung communication dito sa kanilang kupunan. Another point, that is 3 straight points coming from Pasakaw White Tigers. That's a good start for them. And kung babalikan nga natin yung ating first set, it ended by 25-8 and there's a lot of errors coming from the side of Pasakaw White Tigers. But as we can see right now, ito yung build din na momentum ng UNC Greyhounds. Ngayon, hindi natin makita sa ating second set. So let's see if this will be the set for Pasakaw White Tigers. That's 4 straight points coming from their team.
But on that side, Binawi agad dito yung mga error na yon coming from the UNC Greyhound. With 4-1 standing on this set. Now jersey number 19 serving. But the service is once again
Now, kung kanina maganda yung simula dito ng Pasakaw White Tigers because of that error of UNC Greyhound. So they need to focus more on doing that. Kasi kapag ito nabigyan ng pagkakataon yung UNC Greyhounds, magdidire-diretso yung kanilang pagpuntos dito. Ngayon na mayroong 3 puntos na kalamangan ang Pasakaw White Tigers. No room for error sa kanilang kupunan kasi madami na silang na-commit during that first set. Now for the second set, it is their redemption set dito. So now let's see if this will work at magtutuloy-tuloy itong kalamangan. And speaking of, another point coming from the side of Pasakaw White Tigers as Paa with that attack.
through the block, challenging the blockers, the stall blockers of UNC. That's how the eagerness of these players should show. Diba, Tin, in order for them to have a point. However, talking about Pasakaw Academy, let's hear an update on the side of it. We have the court reporter, Precious. Take it away.
Yes, Tin and Kelly, despite the first set not being in the favor of Pasakaw White Tigers, they are resilient enough to bounce back for the next sets. Kanina lamang ay sinabi nga ng kanilang coach na huwag ma-pressure at huwag bigyang pagkakataon ang kabilang kupunan na makapuntos pa sa mga susunod pang segundo ng laro. Additionally, the team was uplifted to pour out their fullest best and be confident because for them, confidence is the absence of doubt. And with this mindset, I'm sure it will radiate sa kanilang execution. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious. Ayan nga, napakaganda nung naging simula dito ng Pasakaw White Tigers. So they just need to be consistent right now para makakakita tayo ng medyo mahaba-habang set number 2. So let's see if yung UNC Greyhounds at this point with a lot of errors na nakomit nila during this first minutes of our second set, babawi dito sa kanilang kupunan. And to hear an update from the side of the Greyhounds, we have our courtside reporter, Chan. Hi Chan, take it away.
What a thrilling set nga, Tin and Kelly, dahil dinominate kaagad ng Greyhounds ang first set sa score na 25-8. But during the huddle, the coaches continuously remind the players na ipagpatuloy lang ang magandang play na ipinapakita at iwasan pa rin ang mga errors. Muli kayang madodominate ng Greyhounds ang second set. We will see yan lamang ang update. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. It's a good set for the UNC Greyhound. The first set. And let's see right now if they can still manage to get this set considering that 4-point lead for the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And this is what they need, Tin. According sa kanilang course reporter on that update, confidence talaga ang kailangan dito ng Pasakaw Academy kasi kayang-kaya. As you can see on this second set and how they play, they just need to be confident and be consistent in everything that they do inside the court. And on that sequence,
at ngayon nga, paunti-unti nang binabawi ng UNC Greyhounds yung kaninang mga errors na nakomit nila dito. Now, Kanyeta.
now Tresvalio setting up to Nogot. Nogot with a check. Now chance. And no one is there.
Dito na naman tayo sa side ng Pasakaw White Tigers. Hindi na naman nila nakikita yung mga bolang hinuhulog dito. So, a great coverage can make the Pasakaw White Tigers convert a point here. Kaya kailangan bantayan nila yung bawat hulog dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds.
And
check ball
that
para doon.
sequence, Tin, it's a check ball. However, talking about that, kanina nga, actually, kudos to the placement of that ball after that. Wala talagang tao doon sa zone na yon. Kitang-kita and how they play smarter inside the court, and that's what they need to end this match up easily. However, a good pancake, but Not a good save for that after that effort by Kimpo. It's 10-6, 4-point lead for Pasacao Academy White Tigers.
Ayan, kung masimulan mo kasi na maganda yung laro nyo, magpapatuloy-tuloy yan. And napakaganda nung naging momentum dito ng Pasacao White Tigers. And now, if they really want to extend this quarterfinal matchup against UNC Greyhounds, they need to focus more on their defense here and of course with their attacks.
Another one on that in the middle. Madali ang puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now, on the side of UNC Greyhounds, 10-7, 3 puntos yung inahabol dito ng kanilang kupunan. Quinto with that service ace. At kung kanina, malaki yung kalamangan na nagawa dito ng Pasacao White Tigers, eh ngayon paunti-unti nang kinukuha muli yan ng UNC Greyhounds dahil 2 puntos na lamang ang kalamangan na hawak nila against UNC Greyhounds. Now let's see.
And also, Tin, the Pasacao Academy is now lacking in terms of their defense pattern. Wala sa posisyon, but on that sequence, 1-2 play. Now chance, check ball. Now Tresvalia setting up to the open. Again! No one on that zone. Kanina pa dito, nilalagay ng UNC Greyhounds yung bola, but still, the White Tigers cannot manage it. Kaya puntos agad, 1-point lead for Pasacao Academy. And that ends the lead of Pasacao Academy. We're tied with 10-all and Coach Pram will be calling a timeout.
Na nakita natin na how Pasacao White Tigers start the second set because of that error of UNC Greyhounds. Pero agad binawi nitong kabilang kupunan. At talagang pinagtrabahuhan nila yung pinakamalaking kalamangan na 4 na puntos ng Pasacao White Tigers. And now seeing that we are tied on 10-all. Ngayon, ito na yung pagkakataon ng UNC Greyhounds na bumalik muli yung momentum sa kanilang kupunan. So Pasacao White Tigers needs to focus more on their defense dahil ando na naman yung mga unforced error nila eh. Yung mga walang bantay dun sa likod with their attacks and errors here. So now let's see if after this time out, they will do something about this. Now, Quinto. Can they get the lead here for our second set? Tresvallas, 1-2 play.
Chance. Now Tresvalia setting up to Nogot on the back. In the middle. Now Alayan. But not a good set there. Another miss receive. Chance. Tresvalias to open. Check ball. The opposite. And that's a check ball, according to the linesman and the first referee.
And now, UNC Greyhounds back to that 1-point lead. Pero kung makikita natin, medyo magulo pa nga doon sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. But at the same time, parang ginawa nilang advantage din yung mga nauna nilang error.
Good dig. Chance. Tresvalias, good dig by Alayan. Now setting up to the open, bababawiin. Another good block. Again for him, deflected. Now chance for Academy. Setting up to Nogot, but a miss hit.
Sayang. Sayang sana yun dahil isang magandang rally yung ating pinapanood dito ngayon. But at the same time, it is UNC Greyhounds getting that point doon sa magandang rally na yan. Now, Paloyo will check in sa side ng Pasacao White Tigers. Now, UNC Greyhounds with that 2-point lead.
Soft touch there. Now, Kimpo. Alayan with the receive. Tresvalias, 1-2 play. Wow, what a pancake save there. Tresvalles again in the middle to Paloyo, and an effective one for him. It's 12-11. 1 point lead in favor of the UNC Greyhound.
It's a good second for Pasakaw White Tigers, but they just need to maintain that kind of play here. Now, kakaroon pa ng communication on their side.
In the middle, and that hit. So far, that's the cleanest hit coming from the UNC Greyhound on this set. 2-point lead, 13-11 on the scoreboard.
Yes, after that series of errors from the side of UNC Greyhounds, they are now stepping up and cleaning that errors that they committed during that first points of Pasakaw White Tigers. Now, Ampongan.
Hinto. 1-2 play, and the strong one for that. Actually, magandang placement na naman sana yun since wala masyadong bantay again. However, napalakas kaya naman it's an outside for the Pasakaw, for the UNC Greyhound.
Now, this is an intense second set. 12-13, just a point lead of UNC.
Ooh, that position. In the middle, deflected to Hinto, but with a strong attack. Laughing on that since Coach Jero get that ball. Kung pwede lang na nasa loob si Coach eh. Pero hindi pwede. It's just the players that are allowed to play inside. However, a block, no coverage on that side.
Now, I think it's the biggest gap of UNC Greyhounds for our second set. That's a 3-point lead. Now, let's see if this will be a continuous points for their team.
Inside. Finally, inside na yung hulog dito ng Pasakaw Academy courtesy of Paa. Kasi kanina pa even in the first set ginagawa nila yun, but still an outside unforced error. Right now, in the drop serve, Tresvalles. Good serve now to the opposite. Adjust. Chance. Tresvalles setting up in the middle. Hinto. Setting up to the open. But again, through the block with the help of the net. Puntos for the UNC Greyhound.
And also, maganda din tong second set na to dahil hindi na pag-iiwanan yung Pasakaw White Tigers sa puntos na yun. But they still need to put more effort on their defense here. Now, Greyhounds.
Tresvalles to Hinto on that back. Quick. Good. Chance. Now, Kimpo with the receive. Setting up. That combination play. Another one. Hinto with set. Chance again. Now Kimpo to the opposite again. A Lion with that save. Now Nogat on the back. And it's an outside.
Sayang.
Sayang yun.
Ang ganda nung ilaban doon ni Pasakaw White Tigers, pero too much angle on that one. So that will be a point on the side of UNC Greyhounds. And again, that's an 8 points away on getting that second set. But let's see here.
A lifting violation will be called. Team captain Tresvalles on that set.
Now, UNC's community enjoying that 5-point lead of their team here.
Even their teammates, the UNC, they're dancing around, on that side, practicing. However, talking about Pasakaw Academy on that sequence, no good for them. It's 19-13. 6-point lead for the UNC Greyhounds. An unforced error, libreng puntos para sa Pasakaw Academy dito.
Now, at this point of time, Pasakaw White Tigers once again needs to step up their game. Ngayon nga, Lucena, will enter the court here. And what will be his contribution for Pasakaw White Tigers? So they need to take advantage of that errors of UNC Greyhounds, most especially now that the Greyhounds is just 6 points away on getting that second set again. Now Lucena to serve.
But an outside serve coming from kakapasok pa lang na player. And that's adrenaline actually. It's 2014 now. Oh, nagkahiyaan. Naga did not get that ball. Ito yung mga kailangan talaga nilang iwasan. They need to have a very, very good connection inside the court para hindi sila nagkakahiyaan. But right now, paa and no coverage. Tres Valles on that side. And Alayan, as you look at the replay.
Now, UNC Greyhounds, 3 puntos na lamang para sa kanila to get the second set, and we can see that the communication doon sa side ng Pasakaw White Tigers, medyo hindi naiiwasan dito yung kanilang mga errors. So, on the side of Pasakaw White Tigers, they call for a timeout here. They need to fix that miscommunication. Kailangan merong connection itong mga players dito sa side ng Pasakaw White Tigers, most especially now na malapit na nga makuha ng UNC Greyhounds yung kanilang pangalawang set. But they need to fight hard para pahirapan yung UNC bago man makuha yung mga set na ito.
And seeing on their faces the frustrations, of course. Kasi sunod-sunod dito yung no connection at all, nagkakahiyaan, walang kumukuha ng ball. And I think kailangan nilang baliin para makahabol dito because it's 2 points away to end this set of the UNC Greyhounds. And they need, para makahabol dito, kailangan maging maayos yung connection nila inside the court. They just need to talk to each other team.
So let's see after that timeout, side ng Pasakaw White Tigers, if they can really get this one done. Tres Valles. Pero Ampongan was there for that fast attack, taking the UNC Greyhounds into set point. 10 puntos na lamang para sa kanilang kupunan. They can get 2 straight set here. Now, on that service deck, Texon.
And that ends our second set with that service ace. 25-14 at last set for the UNC Greyhounds to get this quarterfinals. Pagbalik ng Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament only here on GNN TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education.
And we are back for our third set of this quarterfinal matchup of Bucal White Tigers and UNC Greyhounds. And we ended the second set with 25-14 in favor of UNC Greyhounds. So they're just one set apart on getting this on getting their semi-final ticket here. Now let's see if they can finish this hard and perfect, because first point para sa set na ito ay mapupunta sa side ng UNC Greyhounds.
It's 1-0 right now on the start of the third set. Change of players for Bicol Academy right now. Deflected, but check ball coming from Sales. We are seeing two Sales inside the court, the setter and the wing spiker of Bicol Academy. Now Bermas with the receive, and now Tres Valles being the open spiker. Now combination play with a running hit, but an outside hit for UNC Greyhound. Puntos for Bicol Academy. It's 2-1 right now.
Now let's see if Bicol White Tigers will that's a rotational violation sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Now,
it's 2-2 now.
Good start for Bicol White Tigers here.
Van Xavier L. Sales, jersey number 5, serving. Now Antonio with the receive. Combination play in the middle, another long shot of jersey number 7. Puntos for the Bicol Academy.
Now, we're seeing again here the mini run of Bicol White Tigers. Pero yung nahihirapan sila dito is yung consistency ng kanilang mga galaw dito. So they need to focus more on getting a good defense rather than getting a point dahil susunod na lang din yan sa kanilang kupunan. Now, itong UNC Greyhounds, napakalaki ng kanilang advantage for our third set. So let's see if gagawa nila ng paraan dito. Natapos din ng mas maaga yung kanilang quarterfinal matchup against Bicol White Tigers. And to hear an update, andyan si Chan. Hi Chan, take it away.
Well, thank you, Teen and Kelly. Nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa quarterfinals of Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Men's Division. As we head into the third set, muli nga dinominate ng Greyhounds ang second set. Pero during the huddle, lagi lang paalala ng bawat players sa isa't isa na alagaan at huwag pabayaan ang bawat puntos na nakukuha. Kaya naman, Teen and Kelly, will they finally take home their ticket for the semifinals? Kaya sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Bucal Season 6 at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update. It's the last set for them to have their ticket for the semifinals next week. But on that sequence in the middle, another good point for the UNC Greyhound. And now, pinasok na nga muli si Paa dito. Kapalit kay Sales. Now serving. Almost a service ace. But yes, a service ace for the UNC Greyhound. Talking about Pasakaw Academy, let's hear an update to our courtside reporter, Precious. Precious, any update there?
Maraming salamat, Thin and Kelly. Now that we are on the crucial phase of this matchup, ay kinakailangang umabol ng ating Pasakaw White Tigers to keep up with the opponent's defenses. Malakas na kumpiyansa sa sarili at lalong-lalo na bilang isang kupunan ang nararapat na i-execute ng ating White Tigers up until the last buzzer. The White Tigers are now setting their all-out potential to ace and block the UNC Greyhounds. That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Thin and Kelly.
Thank you so much, Precious. And, White Tigers really determined here to fight against UNC Greyhounds, but at the same time, marami pa silang kailangang gawin ditong paraan because UNC Greyhounds, as we can see right now, they are 4 points away on that score of Pasakaw White Tigers. So let's see if this White Tigers lalaban up until the end here. Now, that's a strong attack coming from Antonio. One of the key players talagang siya dito yung bumubuhay sa malalakas na atake ng UNC Greyhounds.
Nakabuelo dito si Antonio with that attack. And on the side of Pasakaw Academy, we don't want to see that either, you know. Kapag binigyan mo talaga ng buelo to si Antonio, sure ball, patay ang bola. But on that sequence, block 9-4 in favor of UNC Greyhounds.
Now Barawel.
Now Salas with the one-hand set, miscue. Now chance. The back, good pick up there. Salas to the opposite. Andrew with that attack, 1-2 play, and that touches the floor.
Now UNC Greyhounds taking advantage of this poor connection of Pasakaw White Tigers players. Talagang iniisa-isa nila dito talagang malalakas o mahihina ang mga atake. Hindi nakukuha ng White Tigers dito. So UNC Greyhounds, magaganda yung puntos na nakukuha nila dito.
Again, no good connection. Medyo nag-aagawan ng bola dito on the side of Pasakaw Academy.
Well, to serve now.
Antonio with that emphatic hit in the middle. What a combination play coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Wow!
Ito
Bounce ball.
Oo, ito yung sinasabi mo, Kelly, kanina na kapag nabigyan ng pagkakataong ito si Antonio, talagang malakas yung kanyang mga suntok dito sa mga bola.
Now, for Pasakaw Academy, Sales to the opposite. Net touch violation will be called for Antonio. Libreng puntos for Pasakaw Academy.
Yes, but still, that's a 7-point gap of UNC Greyhounds na Pasakaw White Tigers. Serving.
Good receive by Kimpo. Now on the back. Deflected. Sales setting up to Paa. Right hand. Now to Antonio again. But that goes straight to the net. Puntos for the Pasakaw Academy.
Sunod-sunod yung naging error dito ng UNC Greyhounds, most especially Antonio. Now Proa will be going in an exchange of Antonio. Now let's see here, 13-6 on our scoreboard.
Proa Kakapasok pa lang. Puntos agad for Proa. After that substitution, combination play. You know what? Dito naman sa side ng Pasakaw Academy, kanina pa sila dito pinapakitaan ng combination play in the middle. So, I think they need talagang bantayan yung wing spikers dito ng UNC Greyhound kasi sa kanila lang binibigay yung bola.
And now, Proa, yung mainit-init ngayon sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, and he will now be serving that ball. Saka White Tigers with that attack. Too much power on that one. So the point will go on to the side of UNC Greyhounds. Once again to serve. 6.
Sales to the Inla. Good coverage. However, oops. I hope that Pa is okay. Tumama. I hope everything is good right now. But it seems like he's okay naman. Pero merong iniinda siya on that side.
Now, a 10-point lead of UNC Greyhounds here, 16-6. I hope every player here is okay, and even our audience. That's a good serve.
Paa. Not a good pickup by Kimpo, pero nagawa ng paraan. Good save. Now Paa again with that soft touch. Pro with the receive. Setting up to the opposite, but check ball for the UNC Greyhounds. We'll wait kasi nasira dito yung antenna.
I think one of our audience on the side of Pasakaw White Tigers is hurt after that last sequence. So papatawag muna dito ng timeout. 17-6 on our scoreboard here.
It was actually an accident, and we hope that any of the players or live audiences here, sana walang masamang mangyari.
But going back to that performance of UNC Greyhounds and Pasakaw White Tigers for our third set, napakaganda para dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. They're really making sure that every ball counts sa kanila dito. While on the other side, Pasakaw White Tigers, there's still a lot of errors committed here. They need to lessen that because as we can see, UNC Greyhounds is just 8 points away on getting that set. And mapupunta na sila sa semi-final round na talagang pinaghahandaan nila ngayong season na ito.
11 points down here ang Pasakaw Academy White Tigers, and they need to just talk inside the court. They need to have a very, very good communication para hindi nagkakalituhan, hindi nag-aagaw ng bola.
At pagpapatuloy nga natin, Kelly, ang ating third set, 17-6. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor. Kasurog kang kalikasan.
And we are back for the continuation of our third set. Ganito natin yung ating puntos, 17-6 in favor of UNC Greyhounds. At 8 puntos na lamang nga para sa kanilang kupunan. And they will get this 3 straight set. And for our semi-final run, handang-handa na sila dito. Now, Proa on that service deck to serve here.
Proa, the veteran player on the side of the UNC Greyhound with a service ace. Now another chance for them. It's 18-6, but Proa with that serve. sorry. Siyempre, medyo nakakatalo yung part na yun on that side of Proa. Nilalaro niya yung laro dito.
Natamaan pa dito yung isa sa kanyang mga teammates na si Huerta. Medyo kumamot pa siya dun sa kanyang ulo dito. 19-7 on our scoreboard here. It is Rivero to serve. 6 na puntos na lamang para sa Greyhounds.
Now, Salas setting up. Tupaa, hulog. Good save. 1-2 play. Alayan there. Setting up to the open. Kalituhan. Now, the open. Deflected and it's a point for the UNC Greyhound. 5 points away to end this game and to have them on the semifinals. Service out.
28. Lumalaban pa dito yung Pasakaw White Tigers. But if UNC Greyhounds wants to end it now, no room for errors on their team. Now Pasakaw White Tigers. Texon, soft touch. And that will be a point sa side ng White Tigers.
I think he's not ready about that kasi nakatayo lang siya kanina eh.
Yes.
Tapos bilang sinet sa kanya. Pero nagawa niya naman ng paraan but still it's an out. No check ball. Trying to call a check ball. It's 29 right now but 21-9 on the scoreboard after that error.
No, there's still a lot of errors committed from the side of Pasakaw White Tigers. UNC Greyhounds just looking for that 4 points before we end this third set.
Kimpo to the opposite. And it's a good point for jersey number 7.
Now Huerta to serve.
Want to play, not effective. Again to the opposite. Chance. Sales setting up to the open. Paa. Deflected. Proa. Setting up to the open. And that is a good point for the UNC Greyhounds. 23-9. 2 points away to end this match. 16 will go inside and 19 will go outside for the UNC Greyhound.
Huerta once again to serve that ball.
Sales setting up to the opposite. Paa, ginawa na paraan. Now Kimpo setting up to the open. Good block there. Again for him. Another good save. Hulog. Good placement and that is for this set point. Last point for the UNC Greyhounds for their semifinal stint next week. Serving, alive to receive. Sales setting up to Tres Valles. Now chance to end this game. Kimpo setting up to the open. And a block by Hinto. Hindi pa tapos ang laban according to Hinto as we look on that replay. Bantay sarado dito ni Sales at ni Hinto. Now Paa will be serving. Pro with the receive. Setting up to the middle. Hinto with that get. Sales with 1-2 play. The opposite chance. Now Sales setting up to Tres. But Paa did not convert into a point, and that ends the game of the UNC Greyhounds versus Pasakaw Academy. 25-10 for the third set at maya-maya lamang makikilala natin ang best player of the game sa pagbabalik ng Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog, kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Our best player of the game is presented by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions, leap into the future, and of course, Lemon Residences, live your dreams, create memories. And joining with me today is the best player of the game between the battle of the UNC Greyhounds versus Pasacao Academy. It's jersey number 9, Hayward Ampongan with 13 points, 9 kills, 3 blocks, and 1 service aces. Congratulations. Now that you're going to the semifinals, how does it feel na naipanalo niyo yung laro with 0 loss going into the semifinals now?
Masaya po kami ng team kasi pinagtatrabuhan namin na mabuti kasi masaya kami dahil pasok na kami sa semifinals yun.
And also, ano yung mga magiging preparation nyo na papalapit na yung semifinals, and next week probably it's a do or die game between the other team. So ano yung magiging preparations nyo?
Dati lang magdo-double time lang kami and polish lang ng mga plays and yon sa defense pattern lang, yun lang.
Ano yung masasabi nyo sa nilaro nyo ngayong araw?
Para sa akin po magian sa feeling na maraming nanonood and maraming sumusuporta and yun lang po.
May mga gusto ka bang batian ngayon?
Yeah. Shout out po sa family ko, sa kampo, and thank you po sa mga sumusuporta sa lahat, and shout out sa teammates ko. Yun lang po.
Again, congratulations. He is our best player of the game, jersey number 1. Jersey number 9, Hayward Ampongan with 13 total points, 9 attacks, 3 blocks, and 1 service aces. Again, manatili po tayong tumutok dito. That best player of the game is presented by Naga College Foundation. Leap into the future.
And that's our best player of the game from the UNC Greyhounds, jersey number 9, Hayward Ampongan. At ngayon po, makikita po natin sila sa semi-final round. At ngayon naman, it's our final game this quarterfinals for our men's volleyball. It is Bicol Spartans versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. Makakasama niyo pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Cristina Canzo-Reyes.
And I am Kelly Francisco. Manatili po tayong tumutok sa ating live stream only here on GNN TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.